What's up guys, it's me, Adrian Gee, and before this video starts, I just wanted to give a quick shout out to NANROBOT for this scooter. This scooter is super fast, guys. It allows me to kind of skip the traffic. It's off-road. It's super dope, especially out here in Los Angeles where the traffic is just intense. I can literally just scoot through the traffic. So yeah, if you guys want to check them out, make sure you click the link in the top of the description and you'll be able to get one of these scooters for yourself. So click the link in the top of the bio and check them out. Anyway, without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. All right guys, I'm joined here with
Eden
and
Sinead.
Sinead, nice to meet you. You're from Melbourne?
Yeah.
Cool. So basically we're doing a science experiment. We're asking, what do you think is an appropriate time that guys should last in bed?
I don't know.
What do you think?
Yeah, it depends on the mood, I reckon.
Yeah?
100%, yeah.
Ground radius, I suppose.
I think it's, I don't know, just
5 minutes, would that satisfy you?
a little bit more.
20 minutes.
15.
15 minutes. And what about you?
I think at least 20 minutes or half an hour.
What about 20 seconds?
No way.
20 seconds?
That's too short. Till we've enjoyed ourselves first.
Okay, and so based on your personal experiment, like
Yeah.
experience, how long has that been? Like, not that you keep timing or anything like that, but like on average, like what are we talking? Like 2 hours, 30 seconds?
Half hour?
Half hour? So if the guy was done in like 10 seconds,
Kick him out of bed.
you'd kick him out and you'd never see him again. You wouldn't text him again.
No.
All right, guys, I'm just joined here with
Jessica,
Jessica, and where are you from?
Sweden.
Nice. So today we are asking, what is your opinion, or do you think is an appropriate time for guys to last in bed?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I don't care actually. Like, seriously.
So you'd be happy with, 2 seconds?
No.
One thrust?
Not 2 seconds. It's just about, I don't know. I can't.
It's for science.
Like, at least 20 minutes. At least.
Oh, so you do care?
I do care. When I'm thinking about it, yeah, at least 20 minutes.
20 minutes?
Yeah.
You wouldn't settle for less?
Well, no.
I'd say 15 minutes.
15 minutes? And wouldn't settle for anything less?
I would, but preferably not.
5 seconds.
It's too short.
Some guys only last like 10 seconds.
Yeah. I know that.
Yeah, that's me. And Josh behind the camera. It's all right.
Yeah, it's alright.
I'd still have a chance with you.
Yeah.
I could grab your number right now. And,
Yeah, definitely.
all right. Let's exchange these contact details. Yeah, it's all for science though.
All for science.
Yeah.
What a guy should last in bed.
Yeah. What time frame would be appropriate for you to please you? 30 seconds, half an hour,
Like
an
a
hour,
longer,
2 hours?
maybe.
So 2 hours, you think?
Yeah.
Holy crap! That's so. You wouldn't settle for less?
Maybe.
All right, let's say, me personally, let's say 10 minutes.
Why?
I mean, I'd need a break in between. So in between the 2 hours, I'd need like an hour break.
Okay.
So would you be? Like,
Yeah, normally, yeah, it should be.
Yeah, it'd be alright.
Yep.
What do you think is an appropriate time for guys to last in bed?
You want to go for probably appropriate time,
Yeah.
10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Yeah, well, you don't want to go too long and you don't want to have too fast, I reckon.
Sure. So you wouldn't settle for anything like less than 10 minutes?
Yeah.
You would?
I wouldn't, probably the minimum would be 3 minutes.
I don't know.
depends.
Depends. I'll give you some of the responses we've so far got is there was one that was 5 seconds. We got 4 hours, and 69 hours was the sort of longest so far. So based on your sort of personal preference, or like you don't obviously time, but like
Yeah, I don't
just
have
an
a stopwatch, but I don't know, maybe like half an hour. I don't know, half an hour.
that's pretty average. You wouldn't settle for anything like 30 seconds?
I don't know, 30 seconds is a bit quick.
I mean, you never know. Maybe just a quickie or something.
Yeah, it depends on the situation. Like I said, if it's a quickie, it's a quickie. So
Let's say if it was at that lighthouse up there.
you'd have to be pretty quick then, wouldn't you?
Like 10 seconds.
Yeah, it'd have to be in and out. So
Yeah, in and out. Do you want to check out the lighthouse with me? No, like just to look like, you know, I've never been on a lighthouse before.
I'm right. Thanks.
All right, guys, I'm just joined here with
Millie.
Millie and
Georgie.
nice to meet you. Where are you guys from?
So I'm from near Manchester. And I'm from just outside London.
Cool. Now, we're basically conducting a science experiment. So our professors sent us off to get this particular question. So we're asking, what do you think is an appropriate time frame for a guy to last in bed?
Oh, well, I'd say from experience, plus 5 minutes is a bonus these days. I'd say like 5 minutes I'd be happy with. Really? Yeah, my experience is not good. I'd say ideally,
Yeah.
maybe 12.
12 is really
12?
precise.
Yeah.
12 minutes.
15 it would be too long.
Oh, I agree.
I think I'd 3-minute gap.
Get bored after 15 minutes.
So you've only had like bad experience like under 5 minutes?
Current issue. Oh God, where's this going?
Just for like science.
So yeah, I'd say.
I'm an honest guy. We're honest. Like
Yeah.
basically, I'm about 10 seconds. He's about 15 seconds.
See, okay, yeah.
I wouldn't be satisfied with either of you then.
Okay. What about if you were drunk?
If I was drunk, what, and you were drunk? If
we were all drunk, and you know.
if we're all drunk, then surely you'd last for longer than 10 seconds.
I actually last even shorter.
Oh really? Okay.
Yeah.
If I was drunk, then maybe I'd give it a go. Yeah.
Yeah. And what about you, Millie?
So yeah.
Would you be satisfied with like 10 seconds?
Oh no, 5 minutes on the dot. That's me. And I'm happy with 5 minutes, to be fair.
All right, mates, thanks for watching that video. If you did enjoy, make sure you hit the thumbs up. If you could also follow my Instagram here. I know that's a big ask, you know, asking you to go from YouTube to Instagram, but you will see some pretty cool behind the scene photos of some videos I post. So yeah, Instagram handle is there. Make sure you comment some lines for next week's episode of Comment Trolling. And if you have any other street interview suggestions, comment that down below as well. I love you guys, and I'll see you all next week.
Oh shit. Okay, well, there's quickies, and then there's like sensual, like love making. So I think quickies are like probably like maybe like 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Maybe, I think so.
Okay, interesting.
A year and a half. So yeah, I don't know. Otherwise, I think it lasts about 30 minutes to an hour.
Yeah, right. So 10 minutes for the quickie and 30, 40 for like the long.
Yeah, I guess. Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah, that's basically.
You don't want it to like end. If it's good, you want it to last a long time. So you just pull out, you wait. I'm waiting for like the right person. Yeah, that's why I stopped.
Respectable.
Yeah, that's what I've heard. What do you think?
Well, personally, I'm about like on a good day, like 30 seconds. On a really good day, like
Pump chump, hey?
yeah, like one thrust and that's it. And then that's, you know. So yeah, that's why, you know.
One pump chump. Not good in America, hey?
No.
We call them pussies.
You call them what?
Pussies.
Pussies. He's about 10 seconds though.
That's just about okay. At least it's 10 seconds.
Oh, that's hilarious. Yeah, that's the video. Laura, jump up.
I agree with her. I'm the same.
Let's. I'll sit down.
I'm completely fine ignoring you.
Oh, you're gonna ignore me?
That's cruel.
Do you want to say something to the world?
No. No, I don't.
Can I see your eyes? You wanna play a staring contest?
At least he lasts longer in a staring competition.
I'm actually really good at this. I didn't think I would be.
Damn.
Still happening?
Yeah, it's still happening.
My eyes are watering.
You got nice eyes.
Thanks, you have nice eyes.
Thank you.
I feel like I'm staring into your soul right now.
Yeah, I feel it. I can actually. Oh fuck!
Ah!
Oh, I got two into it. I got two into it.
Did they play another jammer?
I got two into it. Does that mean?
lost in
Do you want
that.
to play a quick game for a quick kiss?
Oh.
A rock paper
Is
scissors?
that what you say? Oh, all the girls.
Actually, it's the first time I said it. So if I win, I get a kiss, and if you win, you get a kiss. Rock paper scissors. Boom. All right. So.
You get a kiss in the cheek.
That's what this is all about. The
On the
camera
cheek?
and the microphone is a big
On the
joke.
cheek?
It's all about the kissing.
It has to be like a peck, a quick peck.
It's all
A quick
about
peck.
the introduction.
Follow.
Snog him.
A quick peck.
Snog him.
What the fuck's happened?
Hi, Laura. I won.
Laura, he won. Laura, go!
I thought you were going for the killer as well.
He was a mouth open.
We didn't even get to ask the question as well. What is
Like,
this?
fuck the question.
Come on.
Yeah. Are you going out tonight?
I saw them the last concert that they played.
Come out.
Next one, the last
After.